when you have downturned eyes, heavy makeup will usually pull them even lower. They will look more downturned with intense makeup, especially if they're deep set eyes. Therefore, one technique is to apply shimmery, bright, light eyeshadow on the eyes as it will make them look bubbly. It will make them look bubbly. Here. Ta-da! To make the eyes even more bubbly, you can apply shimmery here in the start as well, giving stars in her eyes. Pow, 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 pow. You see the difference between this one and this one and that one there. And now the moment we've been all waiting for, the makeup technique that will really change the eye shape. So, I check where her crease breaks. This is where it breaks, you see? Here. Therefore, I'll apply an eyeliner just up until where that crease breaks. Down. And I'm using a black pencil because it's not that intense as a black liquid eyeliner. Also, I'm applying it on the outer third of the eye, not going in here, not going with this black on the start of an eye, because that would change its shape, pulling it even lower actually. So this is it. Boom, boom, boom. Here lifting it a little bit so that this goes totally under the eye. And then on the start, I went too much on the inner part. Now when she opens, I can blend, just look down, blend this one as well. Now I need to take the brush and blend this. Okay, blending, blending, blending that I get, okay, that I get a nice gradient. It's especially important that more towards the inner side of the eye you go, the more blended, the sheerer the eyeliner or eye pencil application is. So if she closes the eye, you'll see the gradient here. So it goes from light up to dark and slightly smoked up on the outer edge. Now, I can intensify this even more by applying black here, black, black, black. And then if she opens the eye, connecting the outer part with a lower part, but just a little bit, just a tiny dot here, going over the crease here. You see, over the crease, filling it in, connecting the eye, and now it looks even more almond shaped. This is pretty much an extreme. If you would want to make the eye then more round, because this maybe doesn't look that natural as a lot of people would like their makeup to look, you apply this lower how would you call this lower pencil on the lower part of the eye, more inwards, so like this, because this already makes the eye rounder here. If you want to lift the eyes even further, you apply the mascara just on the outer lashes, or maybe more intense on the outer part of the eye. So you get the same gradient. Here is the intense application, not that intense, and on the start she just doesn't have the mascara. You see how it lifts the eye. Even when she smiles, the eye looks lifted. This is it. Hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao. Sabrina. Ciao,
Ciao.
mama. Ciao.